Dear students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today, in this video, we are discussing number system, mensuration, inequality, and algebra. We are discussing questions from these topics. Okay. Now, one by one, we will check. Are you ready? Okay. These questions are taken from May-June 2020, paper 2-3, past paper. Okay. Okay then. Now the first question here, you can see the list of numbers. From this list of number, you are asked to write the multiple of 8, a square number and a prime number. Okay, first of all we look for a multiple of 8. We can see here 32. Yes, 32 is a multiple of 8. So that is the answer to this question. So I can write here 32. Next question is a square number. From this list you can see 36. 36 is a square number. So that answer you can write it here, 36. Next it is a prime number. So from this list, yes, we can see 37 is a prime number. So we can write the answer 37. Okay, like this you can finish this question. I hope you understood. Now we'll move to the next question. Now you can see the next question here. You can see a cuboid. And the question here it is to calculate the volume of the cuboid. So volume of cuboid is a prism. So for any prism, you can use this formula, cross-sectional area. So cross-section area into the length, the cross-sectional area into length, you will be getting the volume of any prism. Here it is a cuboid. So cross section is we can take this base as the cross section. So it will be the area of that base. It's a rectangle. Is 8 into 4. So 8 into 4 into the length. Other length it is 6.5 centimeter. So like this you can finish it. Or anyway, you know that a volume of a cuboid is LBH. So L into length into breadth into height. Okay, like that also you can finish it. Now we will calculate this value, and that is the answer to this question. You can take your calculator, then 8 into 4 into 6.5. So you will be getting 208. So that is the answer to this question, 208 centimeter cube. Okay, I hope you understood how to do this type of questions. Now we'll move to the next question. Okay, now we can see question number 9 is calculate the area of the sector of a circle with radius 65 millimeter and sector angle 42 degree. Give your answer in square centimeter. So the quantity radius is given in millimeter and your answer is in square centimeter. So you have to convert it. So radius is equal to 65 millimeter. You have to convert it into centimeter. So radius, if you want to convert it into centimeter, you have to divide by 10. So when you divide by 10, it becomes 6.5 centimeter. Now the millimeter I converted to centimeter. So the radius of this sector is 6.5 centimeter. Now how to find the area of the sector? Area of sector. So area of sector is the sector angle divided by 360 into, so theta by 360 into pi r square, you will be getting the area of sector. Now we'll replace the values here. Theta, what is the angle forming? This is 42 degree. Sector angle is 42 degree. That divided by 360 into pi into r. R is 6.5 square. R is given here 6.5 centimeter. That is R is replaced by 6.5 r square. That is 6.5 square. Now I can use your calculator and find the answer. 42 divided by 360. That answer into pi into 6.5 square. So you will be getting, you can change it into decimal, is 15.485. So 15.48. So 15.48 Okay, now we are rounding to three significant figure here. 1, 2, this is the third figure. This is the third figure. 1, 2, 3, this is the third figure. So we will round it up. Why we will round it up? Because the next digit it is greater than or equal to 5. So the final answer here it is 15 point, rounding up is 5. 15.5 centimeter square. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we'll move to the next question. You can see question number 10. A solid cylinder has radius 3 centimeter and height 4.5 centimeter. Total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder. If you want to find the total surface area of the cylinder, so first of all, let me draw a cylinder here. How many faces are there? So you can see here, there are three faces for the cylinder. There are two base or two cross sections up and down. You can see circle shapes and the curved surface you can see here. Three faces are there. And if you want to find the total surface area of the cylinder, all these three face area you have to find and add it. So okay, the easiest way of doing this is to find the total surface area. To find the total surface area, we can do like this: lateral surface area or curved surface area plus, we can see here two bases, two cross sections. You can see two cross sectional area. So you can use this formula for any prism. To any prism, if you want to find the total surface area, you can apply it: lateral surface area plus 2 cross sectional area. So first of all, we will find lateral surface area. To find the lateral surface area of a prism, you can use as a base perimeter or cross sectional perimeter. You can use cross section perimeter. Into height. So this is the formula for finding lateral surface area. What is for any prism you can use this one: cross sectional perimeter into height. So we will find this one, lateral surface area of this cylinder. So radius is given here, r is equal to, radius is given as 3 centimeter, and the height of this cylinder is given as h is equal to 4.5 centimeter. These are the units given here. Now I am replacing here cross sectional perimeter. Cross section is a circle. So circle perimeter means the circumference, that is 2 pi r into h, height of that cylinder. That is equal to 2 pi into radius of the cylinder is 3 and the height is 4.5. So we got the answer here. We can use the calculator and find the answer there. 2 pi, 2 into pi into 3 into 4.5. So 2 into pi into 3 into 4.5, you are getting it as 27 pi. Okay, we will write it as 27 pi. At the end, we will change it into a decimal form. Okay, lateral surface area, we got it. Now I am writing total surface area here. The total surface area of this prism, this cylinder is lateral surface area. We got it as 27 pi. Here it is written lateral surface area plus 2 cross sectional area, that is plus 2 into cross sectional area. Cross sectional area means is a circle, is a cross section is a circle, so the area is pi r square. Now we replace the value here: 27 pi plus 2 into pi into r square. R square is 3 square. 3 square is 9. Now we will find the answer here. This will be equal to 27 pi plus 18 pi. This becomes 27 pi plus 18 pi. Next step, you can use your calculator and finish the answer there. So 27 pi plus 18 pi. So got 45 pi, and when you change it into decimal, you can see here it is coming 141.37. Okay, 141.37. So when you round it into three significant figure, this is the third figure you can see here. 1, 2, 3. This is the third figure. Next digit is less than 5. You can write the answer here, 141. Keeping as it is 141. Okay, like this you can finish this question. I hope you understood. Now we will move to the next question. Okay, now we will discuss the inequality question. The question here, you can see that graphical forms here, three lines you can see here. I call these lines L1, L2 and L3. These are the three lines given in this graph, and you are asked to find the three inequalities that defines the region R. That defines the region R means the wandered region they are asking here. So that defines the region R is a wandered region. That wandered region they are asking. So you have to write the inequality according to that. Three inequalities. Before writing this inequality, first of all we will find the equation of these lines. So first of all we will find the equation of line L1. So we will find L1 equation, line L1 equation. To find the equation of a line, we know that y is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, or y is equal to mx plus c. Here I am choosing y is equal to mx plus c. Why I choose this formula here, y is equal to mx plus c? You can see here all the lines are intersecting the y axis. This line L1 is intersecting, line L2 is also intersecting, and L3 is also intersecting the y axis. Okay, that is why I took this y is equal to mx plus c. This is the y-intercept form. C is the y-intercept that I can write it from here. I am writing the line equation L1. So L1 is touching the y-axis at 1. C is equal to 1. And the gradient, you know how to find the gradient, change in y by change in x. From this graph it is easy for you to write directly. So from here you can see this graph is this horizontal movement, it is 1.5 unit, and the vertical movement it is 1 to 3 unit up. So vertical movement is 3 unit, and the horizontal movement it is moving right. From this point it is moving right and going up. Okay, so 1.5. Or if you are not able to do that in this way, you can take the coordinates and you can find the gradient using y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Any two coordinates you can choose. You can choose here this coordinate, it is if you want you can do like that. This coordinate it is 1 3, and this coordinate it is 0 comma 1, and you can use this coordinate as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then change in y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, you will be getting that value. Okay, like that also you can finish, or directly from the graph you can read it. So horizontal movement and vertical movement from one point to another point. So here from this point, from 0 1, if I start, is moving right 1.5 unit, and from there 3 unit up. That is why I use in this way. Vertical movement is 3 and the horizontal movement is 1.5. When you use this one, use the number line property. When you go right, positive. When you go left, negative. When you go up, positive. When you go down, it is negative. Number line property you can apply here. Here this L1 line from the 0 1 is moving right, positive, moving up, positive. That is why I use 3 by 1.5, y by x form. Okay, 3 by 1.5 is 2. Okay, I hope you understood up to here. Now I am writing the equation of this line. Y is equal to mx plus c. M I got it as 2, 2x plus. The c is 1 here. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, so the line L1 equation I got it. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now I am finding the line L2 equation. L2. So L2, when you look at this L2, you can see here again. Here it is y is equal to mx plus c. So there is a y-intercept line. You can see the line is touching at y-axis at 4. So y is equal to mx plus c. C is equal to y-intercept. That is, the line is touching the y-axis at 4. C is equal to 4. Now we will find the gradient of this line. Same property you can apply taking the coordinate and applying y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You will be getting. Here I am reading the graph from here. You can see from this 4. From the x-axis this 4 to the y-axis 4. In this way I am going to calculate. Is moving left it is. The x direction it is moving left 4 unit. So x is moving left 4 unit. So divided by minus 4. And is y direction it is vertically moving up. Vertical movement is 4 unit up. That is vertical movement is 4 unit up. And the horizontal movement is 4 unit left. So I took in this way 4 by minus 4, that is equal to minus 1. Or if you are not able to do in this way directly, you can take the coordinates here. This becomes 4 0 is x1 y1, and here it becomes 0 comma 4. And you can use these two coordinates to find the gradient y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That one up to you. So 4 by minus 4 is minus 1. So the gradient I got it as minus 1. Now I am writing the equation of this line. Y is equal to m is minus 1 minus 1x plus c is 4. So equation of the line L2 also I got it. And now next it is L3. So to find the equation of line L3 is a parallel. This line is parallel to the x-axis and passing through 1.5. You can see here this is the 1.5. Y value is 1.5. So directly you can write it is y is equal to, y is always 1.5. So y is equal to 1.5 is finishing there. So the line L3 is y always 1.5. So y is equal to 1.5. Okay, now we got the equation of these lines. Now we have to write the inequality based on this graph. One by one we will write. First of all, L1 line I am taking. It is y is equal to 2x plus 1. So y 2x plus 1. Now I have to fix this inequality. You can see here this line L1 line is a straight line. There it's not a dotted line, it's a straight line, and the region is below this line. When you see, look at this region, is below this line L1 line, and region, when you observe, you can see region is below this line. So below means it's less than, and it is a straight line, so equal is also coming there. If it is a straight line, you have to put equal sign also. If it is a dotted line, okay, less than or greater than, like that you can mention. If it is a straight line, you have to put equal, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So according to this question, region is below this line, so that is why I put less than or equal to. Now I am taking the second line L2. So y, it is written there, minus 1x minus x plus 4. Minus 1x is same as minus x. Now we will fix the inequality here. This is the dotted line, is the L2 line. The L2 line you can see here, L2 line, this is the dotted line, and the region is below this line. Region is below this line, so it is less than. So it's less than. So less than I put it. Now when you look at this line, it is a dotted line, so it's only less than. There is no equal sign coming here. If it is a dotted line, put only less than or greater than, like that. Okay, here the region is coming below this line, so it's less than. Next L3 line, L3 is 1.5, y is equal to 1.5. Now I am going to put the inequality here based on the region. So L3 line you can see, and the region is above this line. Region is above this line, so it will become greater. And this is a straight line, so it is greater than or equal to, it is coming. Since it is a straight line, equal is also coming there. So its region is above this line, so it's greater than or equal to. So the three inequalities they are asking, we got it. Y less than or equal to 2x plus 1, y less than 1 minus x plus 4, and y greater than or equal to 1.5. I hope you understood. Okay, now we will move to the next question, question number 18. You can see here a quadratic expression, x square minus 18x minus 27. You have to write it in the form of x plus k the whole square plus h. When you look at this form, x plus k the whole square plus h means is a completing square method. So we will start doing completing square method. So completing square method is x square minus 18x minus 27. So for doing completing square method is x square and x term is enough. We will keep this constant till the end. If you want to do completing square method, one more thing you have to check here, the coefficient of x. If it is 1, yes, we can start doing. If it is other than 1, you have to change it into 1. You can take that term outside, remaining you can put it in bracket, and you can start doing. Okay, here no problem. Here x square coefficient is 1. So x square coefficient is 1, so we can start doing. This is the easiest method. X is a variable, here it is x. I kept that x here is minus sign, so I keep minus here. Then the half of 18 is 9. Then square it. Then again it is minus. Here it will be always minus. This sign will be depending on this, what it is coming here. X square minus 18x means x minus 9. X square plus 18 means this will become x plus 9. So depending on this sign, here the sign will change. If it is minus, minus. If it is plus, plus. But this sign will be always negative. This sign will be always negative. Half of 18 it is 9. So 9 square. Completing square method over. So how I did? You can see here the variable is x. I put x, bracket, x, then minus sign. Half of this 18, 9. Close the bracket, square it. X minus 9 the whole square. This minus will be always negative. This position is always negative. Half of 18 is 9, 9 square. Then you can see a constant here. You can keep that constant as it is minus 27. Now we'll simplify this one. X minus 9 the whole square minus 9 square is 81 minus 27. Now in the next step, x minus 9 the whole square is same sign. We can add it is 108. Is finishing. You can write this answer here. X minus 9 the whole square minus 108. That is in the form of x plus k the whole square plus h. You can see here. I hope you understood. Next, the B part of the question. Hence, use your part A to solve the question. So both are same question. X square minus 18x minus 27 here. Here it becomes an equation. When it becomes an equation, you are asked to solve it. So both are same expressions. In the left side, you can see the previous question, and here it is same expression. So we can change. We already finished this question here, completing square method. X minus 9 the whole square minus 108. So x square minus 18x minus 27, I can change it as x minus 9 the whole square minus 108, and that is equal to 0. So x square minus 18x minus 27, we can change it as x minus 9 the whole square minus 108, and that is equal to 0. Now we will take it to the right side. X minus 9 the whole square is equal to, when you take this minus 108 to the right side, it becomes positive. Now we got x minus 9 is equal to plus or minus square root of 108. Now we can take your calculator and finish this answer. X is equal to, when you take this 9 to the right side, it becomes plus 9. 9 plus square root of 108. That is one answer. The other answer is x is equal to, when you take this 9 to the right side, it is plus 9 minus 1 root of 108. So plus or minus is there. Plus, we use both the condition, plus 1 root of 108 and minus 1 root of 108. Both conditions we are applying. You can take your calculator. You can take your calculator and you can apply these values there. Is 9 plus square root of 108. So its decimal form will be 19.39. Here it is 19.39. So I can write here 19.39, 3 significant figure. This is the third figure, is 19. When you look at the next digit, it is greater than 5. So 19.3 becomes 19.4. Now we'll use the next value, 9 minus square root of 108. You will be getting the answer minus 1.392. Minus 1.392. So this is the third figure. When you look at the third right side of that figure, it is less than 5. So you can keep as it is, minus 1.39. So like this, you can finish these questions. I hope you understood. Okay then, see you in the next video. Bye.